Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Soybean Oil Factory by Ian on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro here on the Four Fields map, and we have what looks like a light. So, this is a factory. It also comes with a sell point. Pretty cool looking sell. Oh, it's got its flashers on. Right. First, the factory. Usually find it under factory setters. $25,000 to purchase. No alternate colors or anything. You place it down like so, anywhere you want. And the sell point is right here. $20,000 for the sell point. It also buys among the soybean oil, among other things, as you can see down there. So it's a buy everything just about. Yeah, at least produce and produced products. So it's, yeah. No alternates for this either. Okay, so outputs over here. I produced some already. Input is right in this area. Water and soybeans are the input. And let's go take a look at our recipe. 100,000 liter input capacity for the soybeans, and water is 50,000 liters. Now I run it for a month already, as I said, and we're only down by a little bit. Now again, it's nice because it looks like we're even Steven as to usage. Soybeans 10, 5 water, get 13 soybean oil per cycle, 648 cycles per month. Now water you can get free, so that's not a big deal. So just make sure when you're putting soybeans in here that you're going to want to produce or use all of it, because you won't be able to take any of the soybeans out. It'll only come out as oil. Now we have 8 pallets of oil out, and we're going to sell some here, but first we're going to do a little price comparison. So soybean oil, top price for soybean oil is $8,175 per 1,000 liters. I'm on easy economy. If we go up and look at how much soybeans sell for, if you wait till the top price, we're looking at $3,711. So you're pretty much doubling your income, or doubling the potential income of said product. So actually fairly profitable then, from what I can see there. And this is caught on. There we go. Let's uncaught it. All right. So we have 1,000 liters right now. There we go. 1,000 liters. Now, what is it selling for right at this moment? Because the other thing I check for, even when I remember, is, oh, we passed it. So right now we're selling for 80, and you could, yeah, there's plenty of places that it'll pick up the map sell points too. 81.26 we should get for this pallet, according to the sell price. And wowzers. All right, $20,000. Okay, so that's a whole lot more. That is extreme bonus. So again, 1,000 liters soybean oil. We should be looking at about 8 grand. And we just got 20,000 for selling it there. What about at a generic sell point? There is 82. So totally, that totally paid for. That one pallet paid for this sell point on its first sale. So that's an extreme bonus for using the provided modded sell point. Must be some kind of black market or something, or like that. Yeah, 20 grand. Wow. Right, so that's why I checked that. And there you have it, folks. The Soybean Oil Factory with a super bonus sell point. And oh, we even see some in there. Does it fill up? Maybe maybe it's just a visual. Well, there it is. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye for now.